Hey Tech Fam, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, and apologies that I haven't made any videos recently. Been moving stuff around, just having some time for myself, and I kind of got lost in track and I haven't made a video recently. But I was gonna make a video on the Galaxy S25 Edge. That was my plan today, but I already did a video on the Galaxy S25 Edge. That's actually a whole live stream, so I already roasted that phone. Overall, if you guys want my overall opinions, here it is. S25 Edge, it's a phone for most, but not all people, It's not for me, it could be for you, so. Anyways, I already did that live stream, I believe it was like last week, I think it aired, so I went 2 hours live talking about it. You guys want to check it out? Link in the top right corner somewhere. It should be right. It should be popping up around now. You guys check out the end cards as well. But today, guys, I have a special video, guys, want to share with you guys, and that is I got One UI 8 beta on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. I literally, right at work, I just went on my X account, started scrolling through some stuff going on Twitter, and I saw the Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S25 series was getting the beta, so I quickly went into my Samsung's member account, and I went into the One UI beta screen. I tapped that, I enrolled in it. I haven't installed it yet because I want to show you guys how to do all that stuff, and we're going to go through it together. We're going to see some things that are changed, some things that have not changed, and we'll go from there. So we're going to talk about these three things before we get into the video. 1, what things you should do before you download the update. Number 2 is how to enroll in the update. And 3 is some new things that I've may or may not seen in the One UI 7 compared to One UI 8. So we're going to go through that all together in this video. There will be captions, but most importantly, if you're a special Spanish, if you speak Spanish, or if you're a very special person of mine that speaks Spanish, you guys can have that too. So, in case my English doesn't automatically translate there, but anyways, we're gonna talk about those three things: what to do before the beta, how to install the beta, and we're gonna go through some changes that Samsung might have put in the new beta in terms of app updates, the UI, and all that stuff. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right started. Alright guys, before I share my phone on my screen, I just want to say one thing too. I almost forgot to say this, but always back up your stuff. Have more than one backup spot just in case if one fails. So, if you back up on your phone, you should back up on your laptop or computer as well, because what you don't want to do is, let's say your phone accidentally crashes out, but you have a backup on your computer, you're fine. And what you gotta do is take your phone to a repair store, they can reflash the software, get your phone back, put everything on there, put all your personal stuff back on your phone, and you're good to go. However, if you just do the beta without any repercussions and stuff, and you forget to you forget to back up your stuff, and let's say you just have it on your phone could get rid of that backup by mistake, and you have nothing. So, have two spots to back it up. Again, that's your PC, and that is your phone. Just want to give you a heads up, because I remember I got a software update, official from Samsung, on my Galaxy S10, and I remember there was a new software update on my phone. I updated it, and it completely bricked my phone. I won't forget that experience. That was wild. So we went to my local break-I-fix store. They flashed it, got it back, installed the update, bricked the phone again. I don't know how that managed to work, but it just tells you, always have more than one spot to back up your stuff. My thing was fine, thank God, but always back up your stuff. Just thought I'd get that tip out of the way for you guys. Let's get on with the rest of the video. Alright guys, this is my Galaxy S25 Ultra on screen for you guys. You guys can see it's on my left hand side. So we're gonna go through it together. So you guys will see as I'm interacting with phones. So just to show you guys, just in case you guys were like, oh, you don't have One UI 8 beta. There's no thing. Well, if we go here and we go to about phone, you guys will see. If we go to not status. If we go to software information, click, and right around here is One UI 7.0. Well, One UI 7.0, and as of right now, the April 1st Google Play System update version. So I will update that later on, maybe off screen. But just want to show you guys I am running on One UI 7. Again, I haven't downloaded this beta yet. So once I click on restart, it's gonna restart from there. So again, that should still look from there. So here is how to download the beta. So this beta just came out today. I'm not sure if the program is still open or not, but let's just say the beta is still open. How do you get to it? Well, go all the way here. You're gonna go. It's gonna take you to the top of the page, where you're gonna scroll all the way down. These are all my apps, and you're gonna go to Samsung Members. Once you go to Samsung Members, you're going to go all the way down, and then where it says beta program, you can tap on that. They'll always used to be at the bottom, but you're going to go to where it says beta program, and then this little subsection here would say One UI 8 beta, and then what you do is want to tap on that, enroll, and then check for software updates, and then once it finds the One UI 8 software update, you want to tap on restart now, and it'll restart. But in case you don't have the Samsung Members app, here's how you can install it, in case you're wondering. Go here, go to the Play Store, and what you're going to do is you're going to search Samsung Members, and it's going to be the one with the blue M. So you want to tap on that. It's 4.5 stars, 1 million downloads, rated E for everyone. And what you're going to do is you're going to tap install, let that do its thing, and then once you get everything all set up from there, that is when One UI 8 will do its thing. So again, once you do that, click install. It's going to take you to this page right here. When it go down where it says beta program, I think it's at the bottom, I found it, but and then I'm going to go where it says One UI 8 beta. Of course, there's two little things you want to learn more about it. You go to beta tips. It'll tell you what the One UI beta program is and the beta program home. But that's how you get the actual beta. I'm going to go ahead and download from now. But actually, before we do that, actually, let's just do it. I think not much has changed. Let's go ahead and go to the store. And I think the biggest thing is, okay, parental controls. We'll just update that because why not? But biggest thing is when I go to the Galaxy Store and look for this latest version number right here. So we're running. I'll have this. So running on version 4.9.91.3. So keep that number in mind when we go to the Galaxy Store. That's when Samsung's gonna have all their apps in betas as well. Which one of them, of course, is Samsung Health as well. So how do I do this? Alright, let me just take off my phone screen real quick, and I'll be right back, and I'm going to show you Samsung's Health's latest version update. I don't want to give too much anything away, but yeah, I'll be right back and I'll show you guys. Alright, so this is Samsung Health right now, and it's a little bit hard to see, but we are running on version 6.629.5017. So keep that in mind too. Again, our Samsung, I forgot, I ran my head. Galaxy Store, we had that one version number, and for this one, it's going to be 6.29.5.017. So keep that number in mind, guys, and I think that's basically it for Samsung's software stuff. Let's go back to members as well. So we'll get that beta. We'll get that started. Okay, so we'll go to Samsung members, and just for kicks and giggles, the version number is 5.3.0.1. So there you go. So keep those three apps in mind because we're going to be going through those with the new One UI 8. But again, these are the current version numbers of the apps as of today, as of One UI 7 on the May 1st security patch. So I'm going to go ahead and go on here. Gonna click on restart now. And there you go. So my phone is going to be in shutdown. Yep, it does shut down. So I'll be right back, and we're going to talk about One UI 8. Alright guys, so a little bit of a bonus video for you guys. Our phone gets a little bit dirty, but as you guys can see, my phone is actually updating right now. I can't get it on the little screen window there, but there it is, powered by Android. This is how the usual boot process for its software goes. But yeah, there we go. It says optimizing apps. Alright, let it do its thing. Okay. Once it's done optimizing its apps, it's gonna look like this. So I'll be right back. Let me put in my phone screen window, and I'll show you guys around One UI 8. So let's get started. Alright, now that One UI 8 has fully been installed on my phone, well, the beta I should say, this is what's going to look like on your phone. So now I got this little pop-up just recently. It says, no, this is a beta software. Due to mature the test version, unexpected, okay, it's telling me I'm slow charging, may occur. Please make sure to back up important data in advance. Any errors that are found may be used to improve future versions. So now that I'm rolled in the beta, there's a couple things you have to know. One, Samsung kind of nailed it on the throat. You know, this is a beta version. Not everything is going to be smooth. If you do see anything that might be in the way, let them know, because what our feedback is going to be from this beta is going to be on the final version. So there's going to be multiple betas ran, but Samsung wanted us to test this out before it goes public, so it can be nice and smooth for other users as well. So just want you guys know there. And also, a couple disclosures as well. If you have Google Wallet, Google Pay, it's probably not going to work, because, you know, it's not official software, or Google wants official software. Samsung Pay might work. So if you have Google Wallet on your watch, it should be fine. If you have it on your phone, it may or may not work. I've ran into it a couple times where Google Wallet won't work because it's a beta software, but you know, this is how betas work. So just to keep that in mind, if you use mobile payments like me, I'm definitely gonna be using my card more often or cash, but just let you guys know. Alright, so now we got to get them out of the way. Click OK. This little splash screen right here. So start. Let's go here. Alright, so all our Galaxy AI stuff. Let's see. Anything else? Anything comes up? No, basically it's the same stuff as One UI 7. You have call assist, writing, interpreter, note, transcript, browsing, photo, drawing, audio eraser, photo, ambient, now, and health assist. Kind of the same stuff. Maybe they're new different models. I don't know. Let's tap next. Right, instantly access, notifications, and settings. That's what basically One UI 7 was all about, but I'm not gonna knock that on them. Alright, you're all set up. That's it. Now, if we go to see what's new, let's say, okay, it's a beta, so it's telling me share my thoughts on it. But that's it. It's telling me we're all set up. Let's click on home. And there we go. We are on One UI 8 beta. So, first out of the bat, my Google and my now brief are a bit larger. Let's see, if I scroll down, animations are a little bit, don't know. I think they're about the same. Swipe up. Okay, so let me swipe up during to my apps. It's still the same vertical scrolling drawer, so, and of course you have that alphabet sidebar too. Okay, swipe up still works. Let's see, recent apps. Okay, recent app stack still is there. Okay. Swipe up. Let's do one thing that I usually look for. See if there's any Easter eggs as well. And also we do have to check to see if there's any updates of Google with the Play services and stuff. So let's go ahead and see. First, go to about phone, software, where One UI 8, Android 16, on the May 1st security patch. Alright, Android 16. Let's see, is this the same spaceship Easter egg? Yeah, same thing. Nothing really there. See this auto. What is that? Okay. I didn't know that auto button was there or not. But it took me off on auto. But there you go. There's an Easter egg for you, in case you don't know. But yeah, we are running on One UI 8, Android 16, the beta, of course. Have to emphasize that we're on the beta. I don't think there's anything much else. That's custom. It's anything with customization? Maybe. Yeah. I think it just very little changes, but first things first, I have to go check. Let's go ahead and check Samsung members. Now that we're officially part of the beta, it's taking its little time. I'm tapping the screen. In space, Under manual control. Okay. So it's still connecting to server. Okay, so we are part of the beta program there. Alright, about Samsung members. Let's see. I think that's the new version there. I have to double confirm when I'm editing this video if it's the same one. I'm pretty sure that's the new version. Alright, that's that. Let's go to Samsung Health. Let me just do this real quick. Okay, we're safe now. There's nothing on my info there. About Samsung Health. I'm not sure that's the right software version, but I will double confirm that if I'm editing. So what else? We did Samsung Health, Samsung members, Galaxy Store. Okay. Get to the Galaxy Store just to double confirm and make sure everything is in its thing. But yeah, it looks like it's still trying to connect. Right. Let's go over to the Galaxy Store. Alright, we have one update here. There's a little bit of problem with the Galaxy Store. It could be the beta, it could be my internet connection. I'm gonna go ahead real quick and turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see if this works, alright? Go to here. See, what's that one update? Okay. So we got Samsung Calendar, Expert Raw, Vision Model, and Clock. Both need an update, so let's go ahead and see what current version number is. So Samsung Calendar is has the current May 23rd. These are 28th, so 5 days later. Let's see, overview. It's the updated date, May 23rd, 2025. That, and that's currently version 12.7.00.20. Right, Expert Raw, let's see, 5.0.11. Samsung Vision Model is a big one. 2.0.09.3. Let's keep that in mind. Updated May 21st. So that's like a week from now. Week before now, I should say. And Samsung Clock 12.5.00.39. So I wonder what. That's been 2 days ago got updated, okay. I wish it told you what the previous update is versus the other one, but let's go ahead and update, see if let that update there. Go ahead and do that. It's all real time, guys, so we're gonna just go right through it. Looks like the Vision model is a heftier update because we are of course on a new beta software. So anything that Samsung has in beta is going to impact. But Vision model going on. Let's go over to Galaxy Store. 4.5.1.56. I'm pretty sure that's a new model. I'm not sure what the previous one is. So we do Health, Members, and Galaxy Store. We got some apps that need a push of an update. But yeah, I think that does it for One UI 8. This is kind of like a little bit more icing on the cake. It's not much of an overhaul. It's just a little bit slight changes here and there. Now I may see some of them, I may not see some of them, but I will keep you guys posted if anything comes up. So follow my social media for updates on that. But yeah, my phone's currently running on One UI 8 beta. So, again, I'll let you guys know a couple weeks from now what the usage is like in terms of battery life. Is it better? Is it worse? Is it the same? I'll let you guys know all that stuff. Is the camera experience better? Is the Again, I'll let you guys know all that juicy stuff towards the end of this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and end off here from now. And it looks like my stuff didn't download, but there we go. We are running on One UI 8 beta. So let me go ahead and wrap this video up. Alright, so now I'll tell you the 3 things of One UI 8 beta, what to do beforehand, and how the experience is like afterwards. Let me know, guys, what you guys want covered in my review for One UI 8 beta. Do you guys want to see some specific things mentioned? Do you guys want specific features shown? I'm going to keep going through my phone and see if I can find anything different or not. But again, make sure you keep a close eye on my social media pages because I will be posting a whole lot on there. So definitely keep that all in mind. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, click the bell for more videos like this. Also, leave a like, comment, share, and follow me on social media for updates on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys next time. Have a great day and stay safe. This is Chris signing out. Peace.